Greetings, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to hit the open road and embark on an epic journey? Today, we're going to navigate the art of planning the ultimate road trip. From charting your course across the map, to gathering all your on-the-road essentials, and even to unveiling hidden treasures along your path, we've got you covered. So fasten your seatbelts, rev up your engines, and let your wanderlust take the wheel. So buckle up and prepare to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Step 1. Route planning. Before you rev up the engine, take some time to plan your route. This is the first piece of the puzzle in crafting your unforgettable road trip experience. It's more than just connecting the dots between your start and end points. It's about creating a journey that's as exciting as the destination itself. Consider factors like distance, terrain, and attractions. How many miles do you want to cover each day? What kind of landscapes do you want to traverse? Are there any must-see landmarks or points of interest on your list? These elements will help shape your route and set the pace for your adventure. Don't underestimate the power of online mapping tools. They're your best friends when it comes to plotting your course and estimating driving times. With just a few clicks, you can visualize your route and make adjustments as needed. Remember to factor in stops for meals, rest, and sightseeing. It's not a race after all, it's a journey to be savored. And speaking of savoring the journey, let's talk about flexibility. Sure, having a plan is great, but don't be afraid to deviate from it. See an intriguing sign for a local attraction? Why not take a detour? Meet locals who recommend a hidden gem? Go for it. Flexibility is key, so leave room for spontaneous detours and unplanned adventures. Step 2. Packing essentials. Packing can make or break your road trip experience, so pack wisely. It all begins with the basics. Ensure you have enough clothing to last the duration of your trip, taking into account the weather and terrain you'll be encountering. Don't forget your toiletries, along with any necessary medications you might need. Comfort, too, is key during a road trip. Think about including a few home comforts like your favorite pillow or blanket. And let's not underestimate the power of snacks. Healthy, easy-to-eat options can keep you fueled and focused on the journey ahead. Now, on to the crucial part. Important documents. Always have your driver's license, insurance, and roadside assistance information readily accessible. It's better to be safe than sorry. And of course, no road trip is complete without a killer playlist and a trusty navigation system. These will keep you entertained and on track as you navigate the open road. Step 3. Finding unique attractions. One of the best parts of a road trip is discovering hidden gems along the way. It's these unexpected finds that often become the highlight of the journey, etching themselves into your memory and making your trip truly unique. To uncover these treasures, start by doing a bit of research. Online travel forums and local tourism websites can be gold mines of information, pointing you to lesser-known attractions and unusual points of interest. But don't just rely on the internet. Engage with locals. They often have the best insights on hidden spots that are off the tourist radar. Remember, a road trip isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the stories you collect, the experiences you embrace, and the unexpected joys you encounter along the way. So veer off the beaten path, follow your curiosity, and open yourself to adventure. You never know what hidden treasures you might uncover. So there you have it, fellow road warriors, the ultimate guide to planning an epic road trip. We've journeyed through the importance of careful route planning, touched on the essentials of smart packing, and explored the thrill of discovering unique attractions along the way. From coastal highways to mountain passes, from desert landscapes to charming small towns, the open road offers an endless array of possibilities. Remember, the success of your road trip lies in the balance of meticulous preparation and spontaneous adventure. With these tips in your travel toolbox, you're ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. The road is calling, beckoning you towards unseen horizons and unforgettable experiences. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Join us on this channel as we continue to explore the world, one road trip at a time. Until next time, happy trails and safe travels.